In today's video, let me quickly show you how to use the API of Perplexity. Welcome back to a new video on how Genic. If you don't know how you can get the Perplexity AI API, today let me quickly show you the process. First of all, open up perplexity.ai and make sure you log into your account. Once you've been logged in, head over to the account section. From this menu, you'll see the section called API. Once you click on this section, you'll first of all need to add in your details, such as create a API group name, create a description, and then add in a few other details. Once you completed this process, you'll also need to add in your payment details. If you already have added in your card, you can also take a look at the credits that you have left. If not, first of all, make sure you add in your card, and you can just head over to the API key section. In this section, once you add in your card details, you'll be able to generate a new API key which you can use in your projects. So you can just copy in this API code, bring it over to your code editor and start running it. So that's pretty much the video. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.